Hi, my name is Andy, and this will be a tutorial on the installation of the LED tape and the dust cover for the toe kick Essence fixture. So you've got your channel, which at this point will already be installed and mudded into the wall, but we're just exposing it here so you can have more visibility to the parts. You've got your LED tape with your leads either soldered on, or you'll be using the tape to wire connector. And you've got your LED tape install tool, which will help guide the LED tape into the channel, and also your dust cover, which after you get the tape in will block off the LEDs. So the first step in the installation process is either you'll be connecting the tape to wire connector to your LED tape, or you'll have the soldered leads. Once that's done, start peeling off the backing of the LED tape. So this will expose the adhesive. And once you have that peeled off, you will push it through the slot in the starter channel. And once it's up and through, you will bring the LED tape back to the beginning of the channel, and you'll just need to twist it into position. Now, an important part of the install is you want to install the first portion on an angle, so you want to clear those engagement features for the dust cover and press it through. It's important to get the first few sections flush, and the rest of it, the LED install tool will help out. So just go along the length of the fixture and get it as close to into that position as possible, remembering to keep that angle. And once you have it through, check and make sure you've got it pushed in far enough. Then you'll take your install tool, and there's a curved side to it. That side is going to face the wall. So you just take it, insert it flush, and then drag it along the length of the fixture. You should hear the tape sliding into the channel. Go along the length of it. And just go along, checking to make sure that it's in. You can go over as many times as you need. So once it's traveling smoothly across the LED tape, that's when you know it's in flush. And after that is in, the next step is to take your dust cover, and there's a protective backing on it. You'll want to just peel that off. And then when installing this, you want to just start at one end. You want to have it approach pretty much flush with those engagement features and just snap it through. And just go along the length, pushing up on it to snap it into place. And then just kind of check and make sure, like snap it in if you feel it not totally flush. And then that should be it. And then the last step, you'll want to just power on your power supply to make sure that all the connections were made. And there you have it. If you need further detail on the installation, please visit techlighting.com.